Hello. Today I am going to explain the generator function. And in generator function, I have a question. Okay. So before going to the question, I just give some brief about the generator function, and then we'll move for the question. Okay. So as a normal function execution, how it start and finishes, right? You cannot do any hold in between of that any position, right? But in generator function is a combination of your function plus iterator. And you have the yield operator if you want to hold the execution, or if you want to pause the execution in between that, you have the yield operator. Okay. So, and any generator function can be invoked by using the next function. Plus we have the for off loop. By using that also it can be invoked. Okay. Now, if you see this function, like when we create the object of the generator function, this generator function will point at the start of this. Okay. And here it will continue to execute till the time it's not finding the yield. Okay. So when it finds the yield, it will pause your execution and save the state here and exit. Okay. So next time when again you call the next function to invoke the execution of this generator function, it will again start from the exact from that position itself. So it will resume here and it will look for the next yield. If it is there, then it will pause again at that position. Okay. And if we don't have this yield, then it will finish the execution of your generator function. That's how it's the execution flow for this generator function. Now we'll move to the question. So here I have my generator function, and I ask by calling this or invoking this generator function here, what would be the output of this console, right? So the first thing is, like when we create the object of this generator function, some people get confused, like they think like here when we say the generator function call, this is not the invoking to the generator function here. Okay, this is just to creating your object, and this object now has the difference of this generator function now. And when you say the obj.next, that time only it will start your execution of this generator function. So it will start the execution from here, and it will come to this your loop, and here is actually one catch. We have constant input equal to yield. So yield will get first executed before assigning to input, right? So when it comes to here, it will find the yield, and when it finds the yield, it will pause your execution. And now here, whatever you are passing into the next, then this will get ignored, because here nothing is to save it, because it's not going to your input. It is stopped at this level itself. Okay. So now in the next call, when you are calling next and passing the y, it will start the execution from here itself. Now it has the variable to store what you passed it here, right? And it will store the value your y in the input, and it will again continue your execution. And here when it will come, it's going to print the value of input as y, and then we'll finish the execution of this. Okay. Thank you guys for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel or press the bell notification to get the notification for the next upcoming videos. Thank you guys.